Getting started with Verify Care. Verify Care is an advanced support tool for any kind of caregiver. Verify Care's tracking modules, summary display of daily charting and events, as well as real-time alerts allow the entire care team to monitor and manage the care recipient. Provide the highest quality of care with Verify Care. How to register your account. After downloading and launching the Verify Care app, you will be taken to the welcome screen. Tap the Get Started button to begin your account registration. Enter in a valid email in the email field. Verify Care requires an email address for the following purposes, but does not share any personal information as per our privacy policy. Enter a password of your choice in the password field. The password must be at least 8 characters in length. You may tap the eyeball icon to display the password if desired. Retype the password in the Confirm Password field. When finished entering your credentials, tap the orange Create Account button. You will receive a notice that a verification link was sent to the email you entered. Navigate to your email provider and locate the email from contact@verifycare.com. Tap the link to verify your email address. You will be redirected to the Verify Care website informing you your account has been verified. Once verified, you can navigate back to Verify Care and relaunch the app. If the verification notice is still displayed in the app, tap the Check Verification button to acknowledge your verification and automatically log in. If the link did not work, you may tap Send New Link to resend a verification link to your email. If the verification was successful, you will be prompted to enter in your profile information. On this screen, you will indicate who will be using Verify Care for. Choosing Myself means you intend to use the app to track only your own care needs, and Verify Care will automatically create a care recipient profile based off of your user profile information. Choosing Others means you intend to use the app to track only the care needs of others. Both means you intend to use the app to track the care needs of others and yourself. You can change your mind at any time and create yourself as a care recipient or other care recipients if desired. Enter your first and last name in the name fields and tap Continue. Select a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon. Choose a photo from your library or take a new photo. Use 2 fingers to adjust and resize the image as desired, then tap Choose. Tap Continue to be taken to your profile settings. The Unit of Measure field is utilized to designate what format you prefer various data elements to be displayed in for your user profile, such as weight, height, and temperature. The app will default to US Customary. Depending on your device, you may either have the option for a biometric toggle for Face ID or fingerprint. Only one account per device can enable this setting, so if you do not see this as an option, it would mean there is another Verify Care user profile tied to the biometrics of the device. Turning on the biometric toggle will have you re-enter the password tied to your account to verify the setting belongs to you. After set, the next time you launch the app, you can choose to log in by either entering your password or tapping the biometric login icon. Verify Care also offers a dark mode option. Turning the dark mode toggle on will change the color scheme of the app to display darker colors. You can revert back to the regular display at any time by turning the toggle off. The Auto Log Off feature will automatically log out of your account after 1 hour of inactivity for security purposes, but you may disable this feature by turning this toggle off. Tap Continue once you have configured your desired settings. Lastly, please select how you heard about Verify Care. You will be notified your profile setup is complete. If you selected you will be using Verify Care for others, or both, your next step will be creating your first care recipient. How to add your first care recipient. A care recipient is the individual you will be tracking information on. This may be yourself, a child, parent, or even a pet. Any individual which care needs will be tracked on can be entered as a care recipient. Enter the first name of your care recipient in the first name field. Enter the last name in the last name field. Tap Continue once you have made your selection. Tap the profile picture icon to add a profile image for the designated care recipient. Tap Continue once you have made your selection. You may enter an email for your care recipient in the email field or leave this field blank. In the location tracking field, select which members you would like to track. Location tracking in Verify Care is utilized to track a care team member's location when they check in or check out for a care recipient. Selecting None will not track any location on any care team members. Paid members will only track location on care team members that have a wage set up on their member profile. All members will track location on all care team members. Tap Continue once you have made your selection. Next, select the relationship you have to the care recipient. Tap Continue once selected. Next, select what kind of notifications you would like to receive. Inbox alerts notify you within the Verify Care Inbox module. Notifications send push notifications to your device when checked in for a care recipient. We recommend keeping both checked so you're always kept up to date. Tap Continue once you have made your selection. Lastly, enter the designated wage if you are expected to receive compensation for the care provided to the care recipient, or leave these fields blank. Tap Continue when finished. You will be notified your first care recipient is successfully created. As the creator, you will automatically be listed as the account manager and administrator for the care recipient. You may add a team member at this time if desired by tapping Yes, Add a Team Member, or tap Not at this time to add team members at a later time. Please watch the Care Team tutorial video for more instruction on adding to the Care Team. How to log into Verify Care. You will be logged out of Verify Care after 1 hour of inactivity. After relaunching the app, you'll be taken to the Welcome screen. Tap the Login button to sign in. To log in, enter the verified email registered to the account in the email field. To save time on future logins, check the box Remember Me if you would like Verify Care to autofill your email address upon every launch. If the device is used for multiple Verify Care accounts, tap the chevron icon next to the email field to select your email address from the list of accounts. Verify Care does not autofill the password for any account upon launching the app. In the password field, enter the password connected to your account, or utilize the biometric login icon if enabled. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap the orange Sign In button. How to log out of Verify Care. To log out of Verify Care, tap More on the main navigation bar. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings section and tap Log Out. This will relaunch the app and you will be taken back to the Welcome screen. Thanks for watching. Download the Verify Care app today. Available for download at the App Store and Google Play.